Hello and welcome to CMT Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this Robeta Apollo camper van here. So Robeta's manufactured in Slovenia. It's the brand is a bit more luxurious than most. This thing here though comes at a luxurious price of 113,000. Starting price is there 67,000. So almost, well, I'm exaggerating a bit, but getting on for half the price is in fact the extras which they've put in. It's on the Opel Movano as a base, and now they use Citroen, they use Peugeot, they use Mercedes, they used a lot, Fiat as well. What's unusual about this is the rear, and this is very unusual. Look at that, a rear lounge, face to face, enormous rear lounge in the back of this vehicle. Note also, it's got a mosquito screen. Obviously, if the doors were closed, you probably wouldn't have the mosquito screen down, but it does demonstrate that you can leave the doors closed with, so you can close the doors and leave the mosquito screen down. That isn't always possible, and I think that's really, it allows you to sit by a lake. I mean, they'll get in anyway, but there'll probably be few of them if you've got the screen down. They always seem to get in, no matter what you do. Obviously, this also is the bed, converts to a lengthwise bed as well. Note the profiling of the storage, which goes that way. Isn't a lot of space, and of course there's not enough space actually to work with. They can't use much more than that because people are sitting in here. If it came up further, people would bang their heads. The price of a rear lounge in any vehicle, if it's a motorhome or a camper van, is always a lack of storage. So that's the way it goes. In here we have a very nice washroom. There we go. And I'll stand up in it so you can see. Oh, you can't actually see me here that well unless I turn the camera around. So there's me, and you see, so I've got space up there. So that's about what, 180 centimeters of clearance there is. I've got my shoes on, there's a duck board. It comes with a sensible sliding door in two parts. Large table up front. So we've got storage here, storage there, and two burners in the sink, and here's the fridge. Storage here. Now, something like, you can look, there's also a little bit of storage under the back as well. You see, you've got down there are drawers which can be opened. So the down point, of course, is on storage. The plus point is on
Mr. Allen.
Oh, do you want to say something? Oh, sorry, you're with somebody.
No, everything is okay.
You can say something if you want.
Yes.
Go on. Do you want to say something? This is Eugen, who's the who's the big boss in Germany.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. And so
welcome to CMT in Stuttgart on Robeta booth. Alan will show you our news in our cars.
I've just done that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Right. And so I thought we'd get another guided tour of it. There you go. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. And oh dear, sorry, I shouldn't have interrupted. These are people who are interested in the vehicle, so I shouldn't have interrupted him. Anyway, never mind. Thanks for watching. All the best from me. Bye for now.